Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Those of us who use computers face many problems. One of which is that is the computer is turned on, the fan spinning but the display doesn't come on. Here you can see the fan is spinning but the display is not coming. This video is for those who face such problems. First of all, we will remove the power cable from the computer and uncover the front part. Remove power cable and data cable from DVD ROM, because if you try to open this part, only two will be torn or damaged. So we will open it. The main reason for opening this part is that we will open RAM, because RAM problems cause more such problems. This computer has two RAMs. We will open the two RAMs and clean this golden part thoroughly, whether it is with rubber or cloth or just with our hands, and then insert it again. If there is more than one RAM, we will check all the RAMs. Then we will check the slots to see if the slots are okay. I cleaned both of them and will insert both RAMs and see if the problem is solved. Now insert power cable and press power button. Then here you see the cooling fan is spinning and display is coming. So problem is solved. There was no problem with the RAMs. They were either dirty or displaced. For that, the no display is occurred. So problem solved. Subscribe this channel to get such useful shorts video. Thank you so much for watching this video.